the first thing we have to do is get off our bottoms and stand up, please. That's the way. We can't start a disco on our bottoms. Now we're here for Ruby's 6th birthday. I think we should all give Ruby 3 cheers and her mum and dad for putting the disco on. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Awesome. You guys sound like you're ready to party. Do you like to sing? Yeah. Alright, if you know the words to some of the songs, will you promise to sing with me? Yeah? And what about dancing? Do you like to dance? Yeah! Awesome. Alright, do you want to go down and join your friends?
Go up a bit closer.
Just have a look at the silver line here. Make sure you're behind the silver line for DJ Kicker. That's right, a little bit behind so I don't bump into you. Now I'm going to ask some of you to come and dance with me up the front. Who would like to do that? Alright, awesome. Okay, I'm going to start the music. If you know the words to this song, sing along with me. We'll do it all together.